Okay, question 14. Just the grey triangle first. We've got this, we know this is 15 up here. No right angle, we know two lengths, 6 and 4.5. Sine wall question, because we've got a matching pair, an angle of 15 matches with a side of 4.5. So if we want this angle in the corner, it's going to be a sine wall question. 6 over our angle is the same as 4.5 over sin 15. Okay, so there we go. 4.5 over sin 15 equals 6 over sine A. Rearrange that, take the sin A up and the sin 15 up to the other side. Get rid of the sin by sin inversing. Type it in your calculator, 20.18, answer 20.2 to 3dp. Okay. Part B, bit tricky. So we want to know when the man who's 1.8 meters, let's imagine that he's standing at D, okay, 1.8 meters, when does he walk along and his head come into that shaded area? So what's that distance that he would walk along the bottom, where we would have 1.8 in his height coming into the shaded area there? We've just worked out that this angle over here is 20.2. So that's 15, and whatever's left out of 180 goes in this corner here for B in the shaded bit, but that needs to make up to 180 to be the B angle in here. So that B angle in there is the same as these two other angles added together, 15 and 20.2. So this angle in here is 35.2 degrees. Okay, so we make a triangle with a height of 1.8 here. We know that this angle is 20 degrees, and it's this distance here that we can find using a tan triangle. Okay, so ignore the 6. If this is 1.8 and I want to find this distance along to x here, bx, then it's a tan question, because this is the opposite and that was the adjacent, and we know the angle in there is 35.2. Okay, so we set up the equation. Tan of 35.2 is 1.8 over bx, times through by bx, and bring this tan 35 underneath. We can find out that this distance is 2.55 from b to x, 2.55. The question wants to know, though, how far he is from the wall when he approaches that way. So it's actually this distance, that xe, that adds up to make 5 that we want. So if you take 5 and remove 2.55 from it, you end up with 2.45 for your answer.